Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are well doing. Today's lecture is about English literature and we are going to start a new chapter, Helen Keller. As it will be your fourth and last chapter, and after this chapter we will be considering poems. So let's start our lecture with the name of Almighty Allah. So try to be focused and stay connected. As you have already heard about Helen Keller, actually this is a story of Helen Keller, who was blind and deaf at the age of 7. So I am going to read the content line by line. You have to be with me. How fortunate are those who are born into this world with 2 eyes to see all its beauty. As I, you and all the people are so lucky and fortunate who can see the whole world through their beautiful eyes. So they are considered as lucky and fortunate. But those people who are blind and who are unable to see the world and the beauty of nature, so they are considered as unfortunate. But we see the example of Helen Keller, who was blind and deaf and was unable to see the whole world and the beauty of nature. But she was the inspiration for the blind people, because she spent her whole life in a goal. She didn't think that she could not see and hear anything, because she thought that and feelings to achieve a goal, to serve the people. So we see a lot of people in the world who accept the challenge of their fate and try to live cheerfully. Among such brave and courageous persons, the name of Miss Helen Keller tops the list. As you see, a lot of people in the world who are unfortunate, who are not lucky, means you can say there are a lot of people in the world who are deaf, who are blind, who are paralyzed, and they have some other problems and trouble, but they live their life cheerfully. They don't disappoint themselves. They take their life as a challenge. So among all the peoples, there is also a name on the top of the list, Miss Helen Keller. So you see, she was a lady who made a goal in her life. Even she served the blind people. As we will see, the whole life of Helen Keller, that how she did spend her life as a blind and deaf woman. Helen Keller was born in 1880 in a little town in the United States of America. Up to the age of 2, she was quite a normal child. She could see and hear everything. So Helen Keller was born in 1880 in a little town in the United States of America. When she was 2 years old, she was a normal child. As you see, a normal child of 2 years old, so he or she can hear and see. So same like this, Helen Keller was able to see and hear at the age of 2. She also could see and hear each and everything. So as you can see in the picture, there is a picture of a little blind girl, Helen Keller. But in February 1882, little Helen felt dangerously ill. All felt sorry for her because she became blind and deaf. So we see in 1882, she became ill and she was suffering from a severe disease. Because of her suffering and disease, she became blind and deaf. Everybody seems unhappy and sad because of her blindness. If you see a lot of people in the world, there are a number of people who are blind and deaf. They are unable to hear and see. So their relatives, their friends and their family members also feel miserable and sad for that type of people. So similarly, Helen Keller was also a normal child at the age of 2, but in 1882 she fell dangerously ill. So because of her suffering, she became blind and deaf. So we see when she was 7 years old, her life suddenly changed. Helen's father asked a lady named Miss Sullivan to come and look after his blind child. So we see when Helen Keller was 7 years old, so we see a suddenly change in her life. When she was 7 years old, his father asked a lady to teach his child Helen Keller. So you can see in the picture, there is a little girl, Helen Keller, and her teacher, Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan had herself become blind when she was a child, but afterwards she got her eyesight back. So we see that Miss Sullivan was also a blind child. But after some time she got her eyesight back and she became a normal child. She thanked God for His kindness to her by helping other blind people and making them happy and content. As I have told you, Miss Sullivan was also blind and she was also unable to see the world. When she was a child, so she was also blind. But after a period of time, she got her eyesight back and she became a normal woman lady. And she became a normal woman because she wanted to thank to her God. That's why she started to serve the blind people. That's why also became a teacher, Miss Sullivan. So we are aware about the Miss Sullivan, who was a teacher of Helen Keller, and Helen Keller started to learn and read with the help of Miss Sullivan. In the next lecture, we will read that how Miss Sullivan started to read and how did she get admission in the college and university, and how did she spend her life. So till that, students, Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, I will be meeting you. I will be visiting you in the next lecture. So till that, thank you very much indeed. God bless you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.